Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 41 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science. And student, today we learn about the third law of motion. What is the third law of motion, student? Jigyasa Didi, understand? Gyan. Listen to the Jigyasa Didi. According to the third law of motion, when an object exerts a force on another and the second object also exerts a force on the first object. So student, whenever two objects here, one is exert a force on other and other is exert a force on first. For example, whenever we kick a football, we push the football with a force and on the other side, our foot got injury. It means football is also applying a force in our foot. This is the third law of motion. तो बच्चों, जैसे हम लिखते हैं बोर्ड पर, हम नोटबुक में लिखते हैं, हम पेन से फोर्स लगा रहे हैं पेपर पर और पेपर पर हमारे अक्षर्स दिखाई दे रही हैं, राइटिंग्स आ रही है, तो वो सारे सब्सक्रिप्शन क्यों है? थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन के कारण। बेटा, जैसे आपने देखा होगा, जितने भी हमारे पुलिसमैन होते हैं वो जब भी फायरिंग करते हैं तो फायरिंग करते हुए बुलेट तो सामने की तरफ जाती है बट गन बैक रिकॉइल करती है। तो ये भी क्या है बेटा? थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन। ट्रैम्पोलिन पे आप देखते हैं कोई किड जो है वो जंप करता है, वो ट्रैम्पोलिन पे डाउनवर्ड फोर्स लगाता है और फिर वो अपवर्ड जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि ट्रैम्पोलिन ने उसे अपवर्ड फोर्स लगाया। तो बेटा, फोर्सेस जो हैं लगेंगी दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स पे, लगेंगी दोनों पे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, बट होंगी क्या? इक्वल। ये कंडीशन है कि फोर्सेस जो हैं वो हमेशा क्या रहेंगी? इक्वल, बट इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन इन डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, this is our third law of motion. First is action and the second one is called reaction. So this is the definition of third law of motion. This is the answer of your first question, student. And there are some uses. First, when player collide. Second, we can able to walk. This is the diagram. Show our foot pushes down and the floor pushes up. So and recoiling of gun, I explained to you. Moving of the rocket in forward direction on ignition. When we ignite the rocket move forward because it apply a force in a downward direction on the earth, and in return earth apply a force in a upward direction. The boat move backward, student, when sailor jumps. Bouncing back of a trampoline, I can explain to you. The ball gets reflected back. It is a very routine example, student, common example. Whenever you hit a ball on the wall, the ball reflect back to you. Let's do the exercise. First question we do. Second, shall we able to write if the force apply is not reverted back? So answer is no. Third one, why does a soldier hold a rifle? To avoid any injury. Fourth, write 3 uses. Here uses are given to you, students. Many uses are here. You can write any of 3. This is the answer of your fourth question. Last one, fifth question, explain the process of walking. So you have to draw the diagram and explain the process of walking. I think this worksheet is very easy and you can easily understand the Newton's law of motion. That is the third law. Action is always equal and opposite to the reaction. Student, please relate all the Newton's law with your daily life practices so that you can understand it better, and also you can give these examples of daily life to your young sister and brothers, and they are very amazed to know that in walking we use force, in writing we use force, how much force, and this is a very interesting law, student. I think this worksheet is very easy for you, and if you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the more notification of worksheet upon time. Thank you, beta.